Okay, foodie, so if you don't learn anything else from this video, learn this. All olive oil is not created equal. This right here is Zagarello, 100% traceable olive oil, IGP certified, unfiltered, single estate with only 0.2 acidity. That is super rare. So look at this pour, super golden and super rich. They cold press their olives within hours of harvest, all pure with no blends. But the biggest flex comes when you actually taste it. It's peppery, grassy, buttery with just a hint of almond and tomatoes. It's complex, but it's also super balanced. So if you know anything about olive oil, it's not just for flavor. This baby is loaded with antioxidants. And you remember when I said it was fully traceable? This is fully traceable back to a 50-acre family farm in Partana, Sicily. Family is not new to this. They've been doing it since 1926. I like to finish my salads with it. I use it on my bread or just let it shine on the fresh veggies. So if you are a person that's super serious about flavor and quality, try this one out. Check out the link and treat yourself or someone else to real Sicilian olive oil.